Do you believe that this ship and this bridge was at retaliation?
Well, again, I don't want to insinuate that this is CCP or CCP is directly controlling this, but another thing I want to talk about is this CCP has done this before. And
Yes.
we saw like it lost power and lost electricity and like hit right into the low bearing point of the bridge. Remember, like 7 years ago, MILESGUO at the CCP, we all know he's the CCP enemy number one. His yacht lost control in the middle of Hudson River, 2017, and there was like an investigation into that, and the investigation, the reports, there's separate investigation reports the authority gives, like shows that the CCP controlled, like through, I think it's called like, they hacked into it, into the yacht, through his cell phone, and they used a technology called like remote control, remote towing technology to make it lost control. And basically the same thing happened to Miles' yacht. It's a huge yacht. It's like a 42 meter long yacht with the most advanced control system on it. And you remember like what happened? Like once Miles put his phone into a Faraday bag, which block all the signals, the yacht, they can control the yacht again. But if he take it out, if he took it out and then it lost control again. So that's what happened 7 years ago. And there were people, I think, got arrested, and there were investigations, there were charges, but it never made public. People never really, I saw another day, like I read the article, I think 7 years ago, Bill Gertz
Yes.
wrote an article about it. I think you're also familiar with it. But the public never realized, maybe like even till now, they haven't really fully realized what CCP is capable of.